Facelift powder and activator. This product was invented in 1980s and has been popular ever since then. It is called Botox in a bottle, and it is the cheapest way to lift your face. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it and some of the techniques you probably need to pay attention to. First, we need to mix this powder and this activator, this kind of water. And so if you have the NAPCA, the moisture mist, and this is the cap, so you basically want to use like 1.5 cup of the powder and 1 cup of the water. Idea is to make that thick enough, and it goes down like slowly. It's kind of thick enough. Before you use the facelift powder and you want to have all these good serums, like if you have enhancer or serums, Botox Pearl, or all the good serums, to put that before you use that, so it's not gonna make that your skin too dry. And also, once you put on this mask, your face will be very tight, and so you cannot really talk. And so you wanted to make sure you can have certain time, maybe 30 minutes, you can have that relaxing downtime, and you don't have to talk to people. Once you apply on your face, and your face will be so tight, almost like your skin is like tightened. In some places you will feel a little bit bubble, and that's a place your skin is loose. And so let's see how you use this brush and basically go from upward and you just go upward position. And if you have eye bag, everything you want to tighten up, you go from this direction. Go this and up. This is the right way for the eye bag, everything. And this is for your forehead. If you wanted to lift up your eyelids, and a lot of times our eyelids are droopy, you want to go this way, go up. Always I go up and eye bag and eyelids. So now we have this liquid on your face, and you want to let it dry quickly. You can have a little fan, or you can use the book to dry it quickly. Now this is dry, so I cannot talk right now, and you can see this is kind of like tightened, and here kind of like wrinkled area, and here is almost like a scar face now, and it's kind of a little bit hard. It's almost like really tightened up. So once it's dry, you have this for maybe for around 30 minutes. The thing is to lay down and relax, or you can read books and watch TV. But if you have both face down, then you cannot really talk. After 30 minutes, so your face is all tightened and some places are bubbled, and now we need to use a warm water to wash it off. And so before that, just to use our NAPCA moisture mist to spray that to soften up a little bit, and then we use warm water to wash it off. Okay, after wash it off, and you can immediately feel the face got lifted. So this is so amazing. And then you can put on the serum, like for instance the Botox Pearl, and on the uplifting cream, and continue to firm and lift your face. And you can use the facelift powder and activator 3 times a week. After 2 weeks, you will see great improvement. Your face will be so different.